Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing my favorite summer face pack, which is gonna be a boon for oily and combination kind of skin. So yeah, you can see the result in my photos. So let's get started the video and start to making our face pack. So for this face pack we all need this multani mitti, or you can say clay. I just pour some water in this clay before 10 minutes before this video shooting, and this is the neem powder. You can grab it from Amazon. I can provide you link in my description, or you can also use the original one paste of neems, but I have shortage of times every time because of my office and my YouTube and my home, so I prefer this one, and this is also very good. So all we need to do is take a amount of this neem powder less than half tablespoon and mix it in this clay using this rose water, and just it all we need these three ingredients to make this amazing face pack for summer special. This will reduce all kind of impurities, pigmentation and acne from your skin. So I'm just mixing all these ingredients very smoothly. So yeah, so you can find these type of clay in powder form or also in brick form from some general store. I have also purchased from there, so mine were in brick format. So yeah, it is all mixed very smoothly, and now it has become a very smooth kind of pack or paste, you can say. Now I will apply this pack on my face very gently and smoothly on the every corner of my face. But yes, you should not apply this kind of face pack near your eyes, especially because it has neem. And please make sure that if you are using this face pack, your quantity of neem powder should be less than the amount of clay. Yes, note this point and perform accordingly. Your neem's quantity should be less than the amount of your clay, otherwise it can cause some kind of redness on your face. Or please make a patch test before using this face pack to know that it suits you or not. So I'm done with the application now, and now we'll let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes. So yeah, we'll wait till then. And now you can see it been 15 minutes, so I have just washed out and dry my face. Now I will use some kind of face mist. So yeah, you can use after that any kind of toner or your skincare routine, whatever the time you are using. This is the night time, so now I will follow it with my night skincare routine. And if you wanna watch my night skincare routine, I will provide you the link of that video in my description and in suggestion box here in card. So yeah, I'm done with my face pack, and now you can see my face is all clear and a glowing skin I have got after that. So yeah, I'm done. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.